Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here at an absolutely amazing basement. It's one of our favorite projects. So much going on here. We're gonna walk you through it all, but really cool stuff. As you can see right here, I'm standing in the middle of the basement. What's cool here is we got this great tray ceiling, good entertainment area, hanging out with the bar just adjacent here. This is a really good area when the people have a lot of events here, have people over, a lot of parties, and this could be a place where they're just dancing, hanging out, talking. Sometimes there's catered events, but you can see how beautiful this is. Something interesting about this spot you're gonna notice right here is these 4 bunk beds that are kind of really cool, and they're like in the middle of the basement. This is all very intentional. People come over, they hang out, you can crash. It could be for the kids, whatever it may be, but really sharp, and we got like darts going on here. See the bar here, this is all custom made. We actually left this column here intentionally. It works out nicely into the corner of the bar. And you can see as I walk through here, we got the great home theater here. Of course, an open concept. Sometimes they'll have a game on here, people chilling here, people sitting at the bar. You can still see the TV. And this is a really nice setup. Love the butcher block. We got this. We got some commercial appliances in here as well. Ice maker, wine fridge, you name it. But butcher block is a really cool touch. Matches really nice with the paints and everything like that. You can see right here, it opens up over to the home theater area. I don't know if you so much would even say home theater because it's more like, you know, a family area. What's really cool too, I like a lot, is the double tray ceiling. So something we've been doing from time to time and really looks sharp. It really designates the space. And what's nice too, we got tile floor everywhere in this basement, but we have this area right here kind of warm up this area. So that's what we'll see a lot of people do because they want that tile floor everywhere. We're gonna turn right here and check out the gym. One of my favorite gyms that we've ever done. Look at this right now. How amazing is this gym? It's absolutely huge. I've never seen so much equipment. It's just clean, it's neat. I challenge you to find one exercise that you can't do in this gym. We even got the TRX support in the ceiling right here. And we got the kids running around, which I absolutely love. I've never met a family that used their basement as much as these guys. They use it so much, it's almost impossible to get in here to video without them using it, which I absolutely love. So that door right there leads into the spa. Very intentional, so you can work out, go into the spa. We're gonna come from the other way. I'm gonna show you that real quick. As you come through here, you see the, you know, back to the open area where we kind of started. And over here, when you turn this way, is the bathroom slash spa. What an amazing setup. You're gonna see we got this great room right here. There's an office desk set up. We got a beautiful table here. This table is actually gorgeous. And most importantly, look at all this natural light that's coming in. We got these 4 windows and the giant door, and just outside that door is the cold plunge and a little fountain. So you just feel, I just feel good just even being here. But utilizing this stuff on a daily basis, it's a life changer. It's a whole lifestyle that we're creating. One thing that's interesting is this area here can actually be segregated from the rest of the basement. If you notice here, we got this big opening, but then there's 2 glass doors here. So if the homeowner wants to sit and have a meeting or have some quiet time, he has a little desk in here. He can close these doors and stay in this area. And what's nice about this is the natural light could still come through to the rest of the basement. It was a challenge to figure out how do you create an office that has the natural light, but still find a way to get that natural light into the basement. So this is what we came up with. And as you can see here, when it's open, it's just really just fantastic. So super happy with this design. Very grateful that they trusted us to design it for them, and love how everything came out, and just a fun project. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed building it.